Many of the good things would never have happened if the bad events hadn't happened first. A big part of financial freedom is having your heart and mind free from worry about the what-ifs of life. True generosity is an offering, given freely and out of pure love, no strings attached, no expectations. Time and love are the most valuable possession you can share. In all realms of life, it takes courage to stretch your limits, express your power, and fulfill your potential. It's no different in the financial realm. You need face time, not computer time. When you're in a tough job market, it's the personal touch that gets you the job. Saving is for a short-term goal that you hope to reach within 5 years or so. Investing is for the long term. I have always said that if you undervalue what you do, the world undervalues who you are. And when you undervalue who you are, the world undervalues what you do. My experience is that women are, unfortunately, masters at both. If a child, a spouse, a life partner, or a parent depends on you and your income, you need life insurance. How we behave toward our money, how we treat our money, speaks volumes about how we perceive and value ourselves. If we aren't powerful with money, we aren't powerful, period. We have to develop a healthy, honest relationship with our money, and we have to see this relationship as a reflection of our relationship with ourselves.